The following is a personal message from Her Majesty the Queen. On the occasion of the 75th anniversary of your liberation from enemy occupation, I send my thoughts and prayers to all the people of the bailiwick of Guernsey. At this increasingly challenging time, I was pleased to learn that you will still be commemorating and celebrating this significant anniversary with a small number of symbolic events. As you remember the difficulties faced by islanders who lived through evacuation, enemy occupation, and deportation during World War II, it is my sincere hope that you will still be able to come together as a community using technology. To my most loyal people in the bailiwick of Guernsey, I send my best wishes for your continued safety and prosperity. Signed, Elizabeth Regina, dated the 9th of May, 2020. God save the Queen.
I send my good wishes to you all.